Hello everybody, welcome to Object Oriented Programming with Java Laboratory. So in this video, I'm going to explain about program number 6, that is about packages. Here is the syllabus. The program number 6 says that develop a Java application to implement currency converter and distance converter and time converter using packages. So here, by using the concept of packages, you have to implement these three methods. So student, in this program, they are asking us to, use the packages. Now what I'll do is this currency converter code, I will write in one package. I will save that package. Then I'll open one more package. I'll create one more package called distance converter. I will save this code in that package. Then in one more package, I will save the code time converter. So these three codes I have saved in three different packages. Now for the main program, I will create one more package. From that package, I will import this classes. I will import this code into my main package. I'll implement this. This program mainly focuses on how to use packages, how to import the package from one class to another class, how to make use of the classes which are there in the different package. Student, quickly we will see what is package and why do we need package in Java. The package in Java is used to group related classes. So it's a collection of classes you can say, and we can also store the interfaces in the package. So there are two types of package. One is built-in package, another one is user-defined package. Built-in package such as we have AWT, Lang, and many are there. In those built-in packages, there are many classes. Those classes contain many methods. And user-defined package, the package of which we are going to write the classes in that. So the package keyword is used to create the package in Java. So these are the three ways we can import the package into our class from the outside the class. So that is the import package dot star. If you give, it will import all the classes which is there in that particular package. And if you want to import the specific class, you can give like this, and you can give the fully qualified name also. This program has three parts. One is currency converter, another distance converter, another one is the time converter. In the currency converter, they are asking to convert from dollar to rupees, rupees to dollar, euro to rupees, euro to rupees to euro, like that they have given. If you want to convert from dollar to Indian rupees, so dollar into dollar value in Indian rupees, that if you multiply, you will get the dollar in Indian rupees. For convert that $10 into Indian rupees, so 10 into what is the value of $1 in Indian rupees. If you multiply that, you will get it this one. And if you want to convert the Indian rupees into dollar, you have to divide by dollar in Indian rupees, then it will get converted to dollar. These are the simple formulas. Please go through this, and if you know these formulas easily, we can write the code. So like that, I have listed the formulas for distance conversion, distance converter as well. If you want to convert from kilometer to meter and meter to kilometer, so here are the formulas. And then time converter. So this is the third function in that they have asked hours to minute, minutes to hours, and hours to second also they ask. So this we will see in the code now, how to write code for this. And here is the code. Please don't get scared. There is nothing, because in the question they have asked many functions, that is dollar to INR, euro to INR, yen to INR, and vice versa. You can write any one. For example, you just show this dollar to INR, write one function. Okay. Then here also you write meter to kilometer. Here you write hours to minute. This one function you write. This is enough to show how the packages work. So in my code, I have included everything, but you can write only one function, and but you should know how to convert from dollar to INR and from INR to dollar, euro to INR and INR to euro. This everything you should know. But while writing, you can write one, and you can demonstrate this. First one class I have taken. This same program I will show you in Eclipse, like how to create package and how to implement this. First, I'll explain you the code, then I'll go to Eclipse and I'll execute and show you people. So here, this is one class. So in this one class, I have written one method to convert dollar to rupees. To convert dollar to rupees, and one more method rupees to dollar. You can see here one more method rupees to dollar, and one more method is euro to rupee, and one is rupee to euro, euro to yen, yen to euro. Okay. So whatever they have asked in the question, I have written method for that. It is up to you. If you want, you can write all, or for demonstration, this one method is enough. I will explain you this one method. Rest all are the same. I have taken the variable that is INR for Indian rupees, USD for US dollar, euro, and yen I have taken. Now I want to convert dollar to rupees. So I have to read the dollars right first. So then to read it from the user, we need the scanner class object. So before using the scanner class, you have to import it. Now what I'm doing here import java.util dot star I am giving. That means whatever the classes are there in utility package, that everything will get imported. If you want only the scanner class, you can write here SCANNER scanner. Then only scanner class will get imported to my program. Now I'm creating the object for it. Okay. By using that object, I will read. Now I'm asking the user here, enter dollars to convert into Indian rupees. Okay. Now I will read the dollar. I'm storing in a variable called USD. Now I'm converting it. Already I have shown you people how to convert the formulas I have shown you. Use that formula. So if you want to convert into Indian rupees, you have to multiply with dollar with the whatever the current Indian value, dollar value. We are storing in a variable called INR. Now I'm printing it. System.out.println dollar is equal to the dollar in USD is equal to in Indian rupees is this much. Okay. So this is one method. So like this, you can write for the rupee to dollar. In rupee to dollar, what you have to do? INR divided by the dollar price in Indian rupees. So to convert to dollar to Indian rupee. So like this, you write the method, or one method is enough to demonstrate this. Now after this, I will go to the second package, that is a distance converter. In the distance converter, the same way, here I'm writing one method called meter to kilometer. Meter to kilometer, and one is there kilometer to meter. So in the meter to kilometer, I'm converting the distance from meter to kilometer. So I am taking the from the user the distance in meter. Enter the distance in meter. I have taken the distance. See, I am using next double here. So I have taken distance. I have stored it in a variable called m. Now, if you want to convert meter into kilometer, what you have to do? You have to divide meter by 1000. Then you will get the distance in kilometer. So meter divided by 1000, I will get kilometer. That I am storing in a variable called kilometer. Now I'm printing meter is equal to kilometer. Okay. So this message I'm printing. This is the second package. Now I'll go to one third package. In the third package is time conversion. You have to convert from hours to minute, minutes to hour, hours to second. The first method I'm taking hours to minute. So here I'm asking the user enter the number of hours to convert into minutes. Enter the number of hours to convert into minutes. I'll take those hours and store it in a variable. Now, if you want to convert hours into minutes, what you have to do? For example, assume that you have entered 2. That means 2 hours you enter. So 2 hours are equal to 120 minutes. You have to multiply with 60. Hours into 60, you will get minutes and you are printing it. Okay. So this is one method. So like this, no need to write all the method, or if you want to write, you can write it. But one method is enough in each packages. Now, student, this is the main class where I'm creating the object for all these classes. For example, this class C is there here. Okay. Then class B is there. Class for this, all these classes, I'm creating the object, and I'm calling those, method in the from this class. Student, if you want to implement this, you can use the Eclipse. In Eclipse, we can implement this very easily. Uh, Let me go to the Eclipse and I'll show you how to create packages in Eclipse and how to execute those. The Eclipse software. So first you create one project. Say I'll go to File. I will take the new project, Java project. I will give the name package, pack program. Okay, pack PL give, pack program. I will click on next. I'll click on finish. Okay. Now student, you can see here, this is your project we have created. Now I'll right click on this. I will go to new. I will create package. Okay, like this you have to create 4 packages. Now I'll click on package. I will give the package name as CC. I'll give CC means currency converter. I'll give package name is CC. I'm giving currency converter. I will create finish. Okay. Now inside this project, you can say one package is created with the name CC. Okay. Now I will right click again on the folder. I will create one more package. One more package I will create for a DC, distance converter. I'll click on finish. Now see here, one more package is created. Now I will right click on this. I'll go to new. I'll create one more package for my time conversion. Now 3 packages are created. Now I'll create one more package for my main program. I will give this as a MC, main code, main converter or something like that. Student, we have created the package. See here, 4 packages we have created. Now inside these 4 packages, we have to write our code. So for that, I have to create the classes inside these packages. In CC, there is currency converter. I will create one class called currency converter. Now you have to create the class CURRE1CY currency converter. This is the name, the file name, the class name I have given. The same name I have to give it. I'll give the name. Okay, now one package is one class is created. Now, whatever code I explain you people here, this code you have to copy into that. Now like that, we will create the classes. So right click on DC, go to new, create class. Now here I will create the class distance converter. Click on finish. Now go to TC time converter. So in that I will in this I will create a class called a time converter class. Okay, so 3 classes I have created. In the main converter, I will write the main class. I'll give the name it as a main, and whatever you want, you can give main CL, give okay, main converter. Click on finish. So student, we have created 4 packages. In all the 4 packages, we have created the classes. Now I will copy the code. This code, whatever I explain you, I'll copy into those packages. Student, here is the code. So this is the currency converter. So currency converter code I have written here in this package, which covers all the function which they have mentioned in the question. And here is the distance converter code. I copied into this package, and time conversion code is here. And here is the main code. Okay. I already told you people that don't get scared by saying the length of the program. Here, if you write only one function is enough, one method is enough. So let me comment this. I will comment this. These are the methods. Okay, so I have commented. Don't worry. Now here there is only one method is there, that is a method to convert dollar to Indian rupees. method to convert dollar to Indian rupees. Now like that, I will go to distance as well. Here also I'll keep only method from meter to kilometer. Others I will comment it. Okay. Now this class has only one method, that is meter to kilometer. Now for the same thing I'll do for the time as well. Okay. So here I have three classes in three different packages. So here this is the currency converter class, which is there in a package called CC. And here I have the distance converter, which is in the package DC. I have time converter, which is in a student. Here is the main code. Now in this code, what I'll do is I will import these packages, and from these packages I can import a particular class. Okay, so here is the main code. I will import the class which is there in the package CC. So in the package CC, currency converter class is there. If you want to import any package or any class into your program, you have to use the keyword called import and the package name dot. If you want to import all the classes, you have to use the star. Okay. Now I have imported the package, the CC, and all the classes which are there in the package. Now, how many classes are there? Currently, I have only one class. So that class I have imported in my main code. Now, I can create the object for this class. I can create the object for this class through this package. Okay. Now, I will create the object CU converter. Now, this is how I have created. I can create the object for my currency class, which is there in a other package. Okay. By using this object, I can call the method which is there in this package and in this class. Now I will call that dollar to Indian rupee method I am calling. So now say here, run this. That's all. Save it and run this. Now see here, it is asking me enter the dollar to convert a Indian rupees. Now where is this? This is there in the other package, that is it is there in the currency converter, and which is there in the package CC. Now I'm invoking, I am calling this method from another class which is there in another package. Now I'll enter the dollar to convert into Indian rupee. I'll enter $1. So now I'm getting $1 equal to 81.83, because this is the value we have given in our program. So student, like this we can import any one particular class, and we can import all the classes with this asterisk symbol. Now for example, I will import the one more package, that is DC. I'll import. Okay, you have to write DC dot, and if you want to import particular for example, assume that in this DC package you have multiple classes. If you want to import only one particular class, you can give that name, you can specify that name. You can give here DC. I'll save this. I can create the object for the methods which are there in this class. Now I will create the object. The name of the class, that is distance converter, is equal to obj1 new distance converter. Okay. Now by using the object, I can call the methods which are there in the distance converter class. Object 1. So what is the name of the method? The name of the method is meter to kilometer. Okay. That's it. Save it, run it. Now it is asking me enter the dollar. I will give 1. Now it is asking me enter the distance in meter, because for this one, okay, enter distance in meter. I will give 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. Now 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. Student, like this, you can import the classes from one package into another package. If you want, you can modify it. You just create only one package. In this one package, you put it all these three classes, and you create one main package. In this, you can import whichever class you want. Student, I hope you understood this. Please subscribe to the channel and share among your friends. Thank you. Thank you so much.